Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. See, this is 12th standard maths, chapter 3, exercise 3.1, fifth sum. Find the sum of squares of roots of the equation 2x power 4 minus 8x cube plus 6x square minus 3 equal to 0. You can take it as alpha, beta, gamma, delta are the roots of the equation. Are the roots of the equation. The roots of the equation, sum of the roots. Sum of the roots is nothing but what? Alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta equal to minus b by a minus second term by first term. It gives 8 by 2. The value is 4. The value is 4. Next, product of two terms S2, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma delta, alpha beta plus beta gamma, gamma delta, gamma delta plus alpha gamma, alpha gamma, alpha gamma plus delta alpha plus delta alpha plus beta delta plus beta delta, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, gamma alpha plus delta alpha plus beta delta plus gamma delta equal to third term by first term. It gives 3. Third term by first term, it gives 3. What is the formula for a plus b plus c? A plus b plus c plus d the whole square. A plus b plus c plus d the whole square. A square you studied in the 8th standard itself. A square plus b square plus c square plus d square plus 2 into ab ac ad plus ac plus ad plus bc plus bd plus bc plus bd plus cd, bc plus bd plus cd. So the same way a you can replace by alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta the whole square equal to alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square plus 2 into alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus alpha delta plus beta gamma plus beta delta plus gamma alpha. So what is the value for this? See here, alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 4. Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 4. 4 square equal to alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square plus 2 into S2, that is product of the two terms. 2 into S2 is nothing but 3. 2 into 3. See, so the sum of the squares of the roots of the equation. So it gives 16 equal to alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square plus 6. So the sum of the squares of the equation is alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square equal to, you bring this term to the left hand side, 16 minus 6,
Therefore, alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square equal to 10. Equal to 10. Now we move on to the next sum, sixth sum. Solve the equation x cube minus 9x square plus 14x plus 24 equal to 0. If it is given that two of its root are in the ratio what? 3 is to 2. 3 is to 2. You can take it as let the roots be. Let the roots be. Let the roots be. First root you can take it as 3 alpha. Second root you can take it as 2 alpha. And the third root is beta. Third root is beta. First sum of the roots. Sum of the roots. Sum of the roots equal to, sum of the roots equal to 3 alpha plus 2 alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. It is nothing but second term by first term. So minus of minus 9 by 1, it gives 9. So 5 alpha plus beta equal to 9. Beta equal to 9 minus 5 alpha. You can take it as 1. See the next one, product of 3 roots, product of 2 roots. First you can take it as product of 2 roots. What is the meaning for this product of 2 roots? Product of 2 roots. Product of 2 roots is 3 alpha into 2 alpha. 3 alpha into 2 alpha plus 2 alpha into beta plus beta into 3 alpha. Beta into 3 alpha. It gives third term by first term, that is 14 by 1. So it means 6 alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus 3 alpha beta equal to 14. 3 alpha beta equal to 14, which implies 6 alpha square plus 5 alpha beta equal to 14. You can take it as the second term. This one you can take it as the second term. Next, you move on to the next one, product of the 3 roots. Product of 3 roots. Product of 3 roots is what? Product of 3 roots is 3 alpha into 2 alpha into beta. 3 alpha into 2 alpha into beta. It is nothing but, what is that? Last term by first term. Minus of last term by first term. So minus 24 by 1, it gives minus 24. That is 6 alpha square beta equal to minus 24. You can take it as the third term. So from 2, you can take the 2 value, second one. What is the second one? 6 alpha square plus 5 alpha beta. 6 alpha square plus 5 alpha beta equal to 14. 6 alpha square plus 5 alpha into 5 alpha into, you replace that beta value by 9 minus 5 alpha. 9 minus 5 alpha equal to 14. 6 alpha square plus 45 alpha minus 25 alpha square equal to 14. So what is the answer? Minus 25 alpha square plus 6 alpha square is nothing but what? Minus 19 alpha square plus 45 alpha minus 14 equal to 0. Change the sign. because in the coefficient of x square minus term is there, you can change the sign. 19 alpha square minus 45 alpha plus 14 equal to 0. Here sum equal to minus 45, product equal to 266, product equal to 266. So 266, 38 nines are, 38 nines are minus 38 minus 7. Minus 38 minus 7, coefficient is there, so you can divide the coefficient. So what is the answer for this? See, alpha minus, you cancel that value, 2, alpha minus 2, alpha minus 2 into alpha minus 7 by 19 equal to 0, alpha equal to 2, alpha equal to 2, comma, alpha equal to 7 by 19, alpha equal to 7 by 19. If alpha equal to 2, what is the value of beta? Beta equal to 9 minus 5 into 2. Beta equal to 9 minus, beta equal to 9 minus 10, it gives minus 1. So the roots are, what is the root? What are the roots? 3 alpha, comma, 2 alpha, comma, beta. It gives 3 2s are 6, comma, 4, comma, minus 1. 6, comma, 4, comma, minus 1, or 6, comma, 4, comma, minus 1. If alpha equal to 7 by 19, if alpha equal to 7 by 19, beta equal to 9 minus 5 into 7 by 19. 9 minus 5 into 7 by 19, 9 minus 35 by 19. You can take it as 19 as the LCM. Can take it as the 19 as the LCM. 19 9s are 81, 8 9 1s are 9, 171. 171 by 171 minus 35 by 19, beta equal to 136 by 19. So the roots are beta equal to 136 by 19. The roots are 3 into 7. 3 alpha, comma, 2 alpha, comma, beta. It gives 3 into 7 by 19, comma, 3 into 7 by 19, comma, 2 into 7 by 19, comma, beta value is what? 136 by 19. So the roots are 21 by 19, 14 by 19, 136 by 19. 136 by 19. So the roots are 136 by 19. Now we move on to the next sum. Seventh one, if alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the polynomial equation ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0, find the value of sigma. Find the value of sigma alpha by beta gamma. What is the meaning for that sigma? Summation of the series. It is a rotation of the summation of the series. See, sigma alpha by beta gamma equal to, what is the meaning? Alpha by beta gamma, alpha by beta gamma plus beta by alpha gamma plus beta by alpha gamma plus gamma by alpha beta, gamma by alpha beta. So now you can take it as the LCM alpha, beta, and gamma. You can take it as the LCM alpha, beta, and gamma. So beta, gamma get cancelled. What is the remaining value? Alpha square. The same way alpha gamma means beta square. Next, gamma square. See sum of the roots. Sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a, minus b by a, minus b by a. And next, what is this? Is sum of the roots. Next one is sum of the, so next one is product of its two roots, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Product of the two roots, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to minus what? Minus c by a. Second one is minus b by a. This one is what? C by a. C by a. Product of three roots alpha, beta, gamma equal to minus d by a. So alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square equal to alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square equal to, you know the formula. What is the formula? A plus b plus c the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. 2ca. The same way, alpha square, you can keep this value this side. Alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma the whole square minus 2. You can take it as commonly out. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. So you substitute the value here. You substitute the value. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is nothing but what? Minus b by a. So minus b by a the whole square minus 2 into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is nothing but what? C by a. It's equal to C by A. So it gives B square by A square minus 2C by A. You can take it as the LCM as A square. LCM as A square. That is nothing but what? Gamma, summation of alpha by beta gamma equal to alpha beta gamma equal to, you should find out this value. First see here, it gives, see, you can take it as A square as the common LCM. A square by b square minus 2ac, b square by b square minus 2ac. So sigma alpha by beta gamma equal to alpha square plus beta square, alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square by alpha beta gamma equal to, what is the value for this? Alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square, you can take it as 2. What is the value? B square minus 2ac by a square by, what is the value of alpha beta gamma? Alpha beta gamma, a product of the three roots alpha beta gamma equal to, see this, you can take it as 3 minus d by a, minus d by a. So what is the final value for this? See here, sigma alpha by beta gamma equal to b square minus 2ac by a square into minus a by d minus a by d. So a get cancel, it gives a get cancel, it gives minus of b square minus 2ac by ad. You bring minus inside, so sigma alpha by beta gamma equal to 2ac minus b square by ad. 2ac minus b square by ad. I hope you understood, children. You have any doubt, definitely I will clarify you. Thank you very much.